Unlock your athletic potential. Flexibility for injury prevention. Are you an athlete pushing your limits? What if I told you one simple practice could drastically reduce your risk of injury and boost your performance? Let's dive into the world of flexibility training and why it's your secret weapon. Flexibility is the range of motion in your joints. It allows your muscles to lengthen and contract fully. Think of it as the foundation upon which your athletic abilities are built. Without adequate flexibility, your movements become restricted. This restriction can lead to compensatory movements, placing undue stress on other parts of your body. Tight muscles are more prone to strains and tears. Flexibility training increases muscle elasticity, making them more resilient to sudden movements and impacts. Improved flexibility also enhances joint stability. This stability reduces the risk of dislocations and other joint-related injuries. There are several types of flexibility training you can incorporate into your routine. Static stretching involves holding a stretch for a period of time. Dynamic stretching uses controlled movements to increase range of motion. Foam rolling is a self-myofascial release technique. It helps to break up muscle knots and improve flexibility. Don't just tack on a few stretches at the end of your workout. Make flexibility a priority. Dedicate specific sessions to flexibility training. Warm up with dynamic stretches before exercise. Cool down with static stretches afterward. Listen to your body and avoid pushing yourself too hard. Flexibility training isn't just about avoiding injuries. It can also improve your athletic performance. Increased range of motion allows for more efficient movement. This efficiency translates to greater power and speed. You'll also experience improved posture and balance. Avoid bouncing during stretches. This can trigger the stretch reflex and increase your risk of injury. Don't stretch cold muscles. Always warm up first. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone's flexibility is different. Focus on your own progress. Ready to unlock your athletic potential and minimize your risk of injury? Start incorporating flexibility training into your routine today. Let's build a stronger, more resilient athletic community together.